Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an impressive collection that effectively addresses the challenges posed by water damage. Featuring 15 AM30LO Air Movers and 3 AF500 Dehumidifiers, this combo package is tailored for restoration professionals as well as DIY enthusiasts tackling water damage in residential and commercial spaces. The AM30LO Air Movers are robust and versatile, providing powerful airflow with adjustable speeds to meet various drying needs. With a lightweight design, they can be easily transported to different locations, while their stackable feature allows for convenient storage. The power of these air movers is remarkable, capable of significantly reducing drying times for carpets, walls, and furniture. Utilizing a 1/3 HP motor, they deliver airflow up to 2,700 CFM, making them suitable for even the most severe water damage situations. The AF500 Dehumidifiers complement the air movers perfectly. With a high-capacity moisture removal rate, these units can extract up to 50 pints of water per day, making them ideal for managing humidity levels during the drying process. Their built-in pump for continuous drainage is a game-changer, as it eliminates the need for constant monitoring and manual emptying. This feature allows users to focus on other critical aspects of restoration work. What sets this combo package apart is the synergy between the air movers and dehumidifiers, maximizing drying efficiency and minimizing mold growth risks. The durability of both components is evident, as they are built to withstand the rigors of restoration work. In terms of value, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package offers an excellent return on investment. The combination of quality, performance, and efficiency makes it a smart choice for anyone serious about water damage restoration. Overall, this package is a reliable solution for those looking to tackle water damage effectively and efficiently, ensuring properties can return to their original conditions in no time.